Bongana senzi TV. That's how we are kicking off and we're starting this particular episode. Thank you from the last one and in loan business busanjalo ngalabu click like subscribe and share. Now ugama lohlelo kuzoba i-rings and bearings la sikhuluma khona ngokuhlela kwempilo ukuhlumelelisa kwezimilo and we're giving people a second chance. uNkulunkulu angigcinele nina-ke sisangena kule episode. I've got one of my daughters in the building. You know, I always say family is growing every day. If you know, you know, and if you know my heart, you'll understand. And you'll come to like this young man with Mara Chief. How do you juggle around Lendo? Every time you find someone ubuthabuto, kiba back. Hello Nan.
Hi.
Kunjani?
Aphila njani?
Yabona ubulisa kahle nje uthenga imigqokele lipstick namhlanje butha. Uzobona kahle. Umephambi kwemira bozimisele namhlanje. Ubani bafaka lipstick?
Ngifakile.
Utifakile mnake? So lezi zinto lezi kahle ukhula nazo segazini. Uyazazi lezi zinto. Uthe wena no. The devil is a liar.
Yes.
Ngiyoba ngena deep phakathi inside.
Yes.
Umanje unayo umuntu.
Ha.
Man. Kanti benzana bosibari? Iminyaka ingakhi manje?
I'm 27.
Manje umeleni kanti?
Abafana ama-kids. Ama-kids noma ngabe ungubani.
Serious?
Ama-kids.
Yeah. Bayakungena.
Sayisho ukuthi nje badlala ngathi sonke ama-kids ukuthi maybe wena ngoba unje sidakuphatha kanje. Akukho lo.
Bafana the boys. Bafana bayafana. Oma wona sawuthi batakuphula inhlitiyo. No, thank you very much, man. That's how we're opening up. Hey, kuhle. But noma kufika kuyahleka, kumele sihloko sibhisi smile, sihleka. Singene kahle deep. Ngicela ubabingelele ekhaya, ubatshele nje amagama wakho aphelele nokuthi ubuya kuphi nendawo.
Sanibonani, igama lami nginoqolo. Sibande from Mpumalanga. Inhlazathe eKhuzulani section.
So ubuya Inhlazatshe manje?
Ngifika itolo.
Wathi nje this episode for me, I am going to that building. Uhlala uyibona TV. So yini moyibona nje lokhu icabanga ngale ndawo. Bolokuthi ngifuna ukuya ngiyohlala kancane oButhemba ngiyokhuluma naye.
I was inspired ngama video akho engiwabona ku TikTok because I project yakho neyami align. Yes. So I fell in love with the work. That's a TV, kuma shows.
We thank God.
Yes.
We thank God for the care. I really am humbled. You know, izinto ezingimelthisa. Ngibuza ukuthi ngifunani. Ngiyayibona imali eningi izawungena ngale but ngifuna ukuzwa abantu man bake bakhulume ba testify ukhona. Mase ufila usezwa nix. And this is what keeps me going. Right. Now that abantu babukile and they can see ukuthi there's a form of, for lack of a better word, now they're calling it disability.
Yes.
So and nginesho ukuthi ke mhlambe masikhulu abanye umbuzo manje usagijima ingqondo zeracer. Was she born like that or maybe because of error accident ne default? What really transpired? Kwenzakalani? Asiqale saya phansi lebuncaneni.
No.
So are you comfortable?
Yes.
Yeah, Harmony will take care of you. Don't worry, you're safe. Yes.
I was born like this.
Yeah.
Yes, it is called cerebral palsy.
Oh.
Yes. It's incurable. But you live with it. Once you accept it, you live like everyone.
No. Baby Zaini.
Cerebral palsy.
Okay. So mabeke explainela mawubuza bathi yini because mawumncane siyakhula isikhathi siya and then uzozibuza ukuthi normal kunento engekho normal kunabanye abantwana. I mean ukuya nje living pass through to age 27 things might have happened. Yeah, bathi yini mabechazela?
But doctor, but it affect her backbone. Yes, backbone. Ne posture. I'm physically challenged kahle. Lokunye nalokunye ngisakubuka because but doctor maybe bagooglisha umuntu loyi-1 bese bagijima naleyo information because there was a time when I found out ukuthi is affecting nengqondo. But checking my life, I'm not affected because bantu bathatha leyo information bayithathe ngathi if cerebral palsy affecting ingqondo affecta ukuthi awusakhona ukuphila like mentally ill. Yes.
So ngicela ungitshele ngabazali bakho uphi umama nobaba?
my mom is present. Yes, my father is there, but not like my mother. Yes, I always appreciate her for raising me up as a single parent. Angaziwa angibalekele or athi my child is different. Angeke ngimtreat like any other kid. Ekhaya siyi-6, I'm the third born. But ngeke uze usho because siyafana. Makashaya abantwana bekangishaya. Mangasithethisa angithethisa. And I'll forever be grateful because of that. Because kube wang treat us special like this one is different. Or angitreat unique or special. Ngabe angikho la ngikhona khona. Because treat us special as a disabled person. Kuyakwenda ukuthi ube oppressed. Ungakhona ukuphila, ungayibona impilo than being disabled. But me and my family, it's a different story. Yes.
Okay, I can hear that you are breathing heavily.
Yes.
Does the condition also affect the breathing, or it goes with obviously how you are?
Yes, it affects my nerves.
Yeah.
Yes, iphefumula, like shortage of breath. Yes.
Have you ever done an interview besides the interview? Have you ever said and like radio and any other platforms?
Yes, I did with SABC News. Daily Chat, having a good debate. Like Vukuzenzele, like many social media outlets.
What are the common questions that you always come across?
Common questions are based on the organization I have. Yes.
I need us largely on this interview to entertain the issue your foundation.
Yes.
But I want us to talk about the upbringing first. Don't forget, Uguti, we must talk about the foundation.
Yes.
I find you very interesting. And
Yes.
a lot of people, I would tell them, Uguti, I think if it was a condition, I would
Yes.
classify myself as someone who's living with a disability, because I'm very connected to abanye abantu bathi yonke into engenza sense wena siyakwazi, abantu abahlanyayo, abonyawupe na every other thing and every other thing. Sikuthola uhleli and you'll be talking to someone. Even in prison, there was a guy called Mkhwanazi. Beyangakhulumi nezinye ibosha. Even my friend AJ would say, mfethu ngelinye ilanga la mfethu uzosifakela inkinga because uletha bonke labantu abasnacks. Lo muntu akakhulumi namuntu ubheka ibonda kanje for 3 hours. Angakhuluma beyana uthi likhele. Ngiyakuthanda kube ngakuthandi bengizokubulala wena likhele. Mara ungathi wenza ingqondo. And that guy, I persuaded him until we did the unthinkable. Beyangana visit lo muntu iminyaka ngihleli 3.5 years ejele. Yonke le minyaka, but one day bafika abazali ngathi ngicela nibhaliseni kwi family day, babhalisa sleep. Then ngithe malibiza igama lakhe, wathi abe niyangihlolela mina ne visit. Wathi mina ngidla into lezi ezitaptap zenza sedrobheni, ngaya kuye ngathi baba Mkhwanazi, umama nobaba bafuna ukukumita wena. Wathi wena mfana kalikhela wena, ucanga ukuthi ngunodoli kodwa sami saya ngaphandle masifika ibosha bizimangele groundini ukuthi and then Mkhwanazi uhlala phepha izandla, so ubheka abantu kabi. So sihleli kanje kuyifamily, waya wafika waqhawula ubabami wathi wena Nsizwa kalikhele angithi isebenzise kanzimande, so ejele balo kwangibiza ngolikhele, so wena Nsizwa kalikhele yeah windoda emadodeni la uzala indoda emadodeni. Lo mfana uyangidelela lo kodwa ngiyamthanda lo mfana, lo mfana o right lo uyu mfana ongangisabi. So I'm just saying that's just me, but this interview is not about me. I had to share that experience so that we understand why I'm always connected. So mawukhula umncane, when was the time where the penny has dropped manje, where you realized ukuthi no man khona into engahambi the way mele ihambe ngakhona, and where you were consciously now alive to this reality ukuthi hayi man, this is me, I need to accept. And mhlambe ke uyabantu abanye abantu bakubheka ngakhona abantwana, the challenges nje in your childhood you were facing?
Yes, I started school late because ngasheshe ngarealize ukuthi I'm different from other kids. So bengisaba ukuthi ngiye esikolweni, like ngibuya ku-rural area kuduma special schools lahleleke ngaleyo ndlela. So lele ngayithola bekusikolo lapho khona just they keep disabled people. Akude ma grades kude in so ngamtshela mama ngathi hayi angeke ngikhona, ngifuna isikolo qobo. So sabuyela ekhaya ngahlala. Like I'm trying, but I have an ego. Because I wanna experience this. So ngahlala until ngabana 9 years. Because ngasheshe ngadibona ukuthi I'm not able like any other kids. So ngamcela mama ukuthi ngicela ngifune isikolo like a public school where they accept kids with disabilities. So yes, that is when I realized ukuthi I'm really different. Yes.
But what are the difficulties, the biggest challenges that you still remember?
Yeah. Like my first day at school, I was the only disabled kid.
Wow.
So that was really challenging. But ngiyambonga uNkulunkulu ngokuthi even though I'm disabled, but I'm not focusing on that. Yes. I moved on, but ikhona tikhathi betifika like kuyiwe groundini. Yeah, kumele ngisale eklasini because I can't participate. Yes. But nje, it was challenging, but I'm not focusing on that too much. Yes.
So, because kunezinto eyithize mhlambe like at church, people sing, people dance, all of these sorts of things. Bo participate mhlambe kwamanye ama extra curriculum activities. Of course, I mean kune passion yakho ukuthi siyazini one day if I can't sing, I'll conduct.
Yes, I grew up as a writer. I love writing poems, stories, short stories, and yes, ngathola a position in that. I used to perform poems at schools, at church. Yes,
Like
so
that.
my life was not boring. Was not that much boring because I participated where I was able to. Yes.
Wow. Manje ngoba siyakhula, masikhula ile subject abantu abayithandayo. And then you now start having eyes manje kunabo bongane abo brava nibani. So what is that life of yours like?
Yes, I dated. But okay. Like uNkulunkulu mina ungende ngama very special ne. Bantu lengihlangana nabo abangitreat ngalo ukuthi I'm disabled or I'm different. Yes, so bafana nje basiphatha kufana. Namakhethi.
Amasimba kwabona.
Yes.
I look straight
Amakhethi.
Hey.
Yes.
Nawe manje bona ukugoa nje ngelinye ilanga nje uthi hey naku lo muntu akabambi ifoni namhlanje othwa
Yes, kakhulu, but as a normal person, as I'm saying, yes.
Very
I go good
normal.
at maybe awukhona model or you can't do this and that. Yes.
Wow. Oh, so in other words, lived experiences. You have experienced every other thing. You experience every other child.
Yes.
Or the only thing we okay, there are those times and moments where you need a special care, mhlambe, special attention, extra time, mhlambe, while you're doing things. Because when a public transport, for instance, and people at times, I'm not denouncing or talking otherwise or ill, but I'm just saying, of course, kunokufika isikhathi la wena uthi no, man, I'm not going to be busy ngamabhasi and nani. It's not like I'm on the wheelchair or any other thing. Uyangithola. So abantu abaphela inhliziyo njalo njalo, what message do we have for them, you know?
Like it happened to me last week and it was my first time experiencing such. I was going to a court. So udriver ngamtshela ngokuthi I'm going to a court.
Yeah.
So maybe it was not my day with him because wangehlisa endleleni before I had to walk by myself. So yes, it was very painful. But I think I had to experience it because angazi ngahlangana nemizimba lobunjalo before. So it was very really paining to me and I reported him because angifuni ukuthi laba yimantu ba experience.
The same thing.
Yes, so I reported him. Yes, ukuthi mina lengidlulekiko angifiseli labanye.
Yeah.
Yes, so
if you don't mind sharing, ngiyazi la ekhaya bathanda izinto seskim kunephathi ongadlulanga umention icourt waye ungambuzanga. If you don't mind sharing, wenza yini ecourt?
I have an organization.
Yeah.
So last year ngathenga umkhukhu.
Yeah.
Lolo wakhiwako bathini.
Wendy House, yes, one.
Yes. I paid in full, but the guy didn't deliver.
Man, upper state, man. All right, stop it right there. Right. I'm not going to be saying it like a pastor obuya ngale in North Africa. But ke senizwile ke mawumuntu ofana nami already so gijimela kwi bank account yakho and then you are saying scheme chief tamfana kithi wena ushayile ispan sakho ngokuthi usilethele uSester Wendy Houses for call. You are going to get that Wendy House and I'm going to give you feedback. Ngicela singakayi kude kakhulu ngicela ubiza ama number akho on that camera and then there's someone ekumele afika kuplace real quick with this Wendy House because we can't be up and down already. You are going through a lot. Lana we need a solution. Ngicela ubapha ama number bese siyachubeka ngalento.
My number is 082-590-4615.
Right, before iphindi number nani ke enihlala la nilindi into efana lezi bese nihamba niyoheka ama number niyo-change na you are going to burn in hell. We are serious. These are real life experiences abantu ekumele bakhona ukusizakala empilweni. So instead of you wanting to take advantage already abantu they are going through a lot. Into esifuna isifuna ukusiza. It's not going to only be a Wendy House. Now we are going to dive in deep and talk about the foundation and the cause akuye uSester. Phezu kwesimo ekuso what God has blessed me with my 2 feet, 2 hands, 2 ears. Yonke into kimi phelele. Uwe nje ungabona something different. So ngikwazi kuyosiza umphakathi. Umuntu odinga usizo mara usiza abanye abantu. Now asingene straight kwi organization yakho, kwi foundation. What exactly programs or services are you rendering as the foundation?
Oh, I started Close Touch March 2021. Yes, the reason behind was the number of school kids drop out because they don't have sanitary towels, school uniforms, school shoes, yes, etc. So I started based on this. With my disability grant, maybe level 50 rand in connecting maybe pair of shoes, sanitary towels, yes.
Okay. Kunabangani bami la engifuna ukuthi ngibathinte real quick so that ubale ama school shoes, ubale ama sanitary towels. Mkhotsi waka Sipho Mayweather kudingeka ama school shoes. I know you are going to deliver on this one my brother. And then kunomngani wami uLirato Khanyago. I know ukuthi masikhuluma nge-sanitary nama-dignity hampers, you are very big on that. Metro FM pays you very well. As a belief, I'm putting you on the spot. We are going straight to the hood to deliver. Integmele siyos deliver lapana. Last but not least, Gentle, use Northwest. Ngiyacela Gentle, let's just please make sure ukuthi we donate pyramid cares. We support one another. Labantu abayi-3 ngibamentionile, something is coming your way. This is the promise I'm making, except for the pledge engicela ukuthi bayenze le Wendy House. We are going to help or assist in that regard. Then asiqhubeke ke what other functions ezenziwayo la?
Thank you so much. I do ngima-grant pay. Lapho khola khona bogogo. I make breakfast, tea for them because labanye bafika ekuseni bangakahle. Ilayini inze labanye kuyabanzi ekuseni manje. I do tea for them. Babahola bogogo.
So endaweni yangakini bayakwazi udume ngemisebenzi emihle.
Yes.
Yeah, so bayibizani area lo hlala kuyo?
Inhlazatshe.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay, people around Enhlazatshe asuhlabe sulawule. It is important to support phela uNyawupa, support ama drugs, support into snacks. Now that kukhona umuntu othi ngifuna ukwenza kahle, ngifuna mina mawungipha ubufakazi the day siza ngale ku. Then abantu mele babe beqalile ke sebazile ke baza into ezinkulu nezincane nikhona ukuzisa asiyeni senze sure ukuthi lo mntanami lo uba right. So ngale ndaweni yokuhlala udume ngobani ngefoundation or ngegama lakho bakubiza ngaliphi?
Nginoxolo.
Yeah.
Yes.
Oh, okay. Owabakubizi ngefoundation. Mina bathi scheme GP angazi urigama lami or igama le business or igama le foundation mara kona lapho khona ku scheme. Noxolo. No, thank you very much. But before sivala, I want us to talk about the now because the foundation yezwa we have touched almost everywhere. But let's talk about the now. Mhlambe the current state. Wena manje so i-mouthpiece ngunika i-mic ukhulumela abantu abala kulesimo okuso ngendlela ezihlukahlukene bengi-interview umfana wami ohamba nge-wheelchair angitshela ukuthi okay ama-challenges mhlawumbe kuphi nendawo even ama-families anokuphela inhliziyo aphelele labantu omunye akakwazi ukuyisiza omunye kuhlukahlukile so wena-ke maybe if ukhulumela le team le and ukhuluma ne-South Africa ukuthi bafethu umuntu ophila kanje utreatwa kanje.
First of all thine sinenkani basho njalo. Yes, ngani.
Ninenkani vele?
Yes. Yes.
Shaya.
So like we do need help but unganginikeza isito lakho ukuthi ungivela buhlungu. But out of love. Yes, ngabantu right heart as long as usiphatha kahle ngendlela yokuthi awungiphathi ngokuthi because she is disabled. I will always make an example with my family. Ekhaya abangitreat special. I do everything. I cook, I wash, I clean, like everything. Sekuthi nje bangisupport where I need help. But nje lingibatshela kona abantu emakhaya ukuthi being disabled akusho ukuthi awusasingumuntu or awusadeserve ukuphila. Sinikiwe sonke lempilo le asinayo le impilo ukuthi maybe lokho disabled uphinda utholile impilo lapho khona utofana na wonke umuntu. So mama siphilise njenge bantu ngoba nathi azange mamuhlezi athi kude i-applying ukuthi I'm applying to have this such a kid. So mama sibheketelele siphisaneni angisho ukuthi we want special treatment no but Leo supports love and care. Yes.
Hey, ngifuna manje senze lento ne just to dedicate. If it was a song I would have said let's dedicate this song to your mom. Just a dedication now to all the women out there. Abo baba ngiyabona kaningi banokuthi Jobe mara bakhona thola ukuthi umama unfortunately uyashona then kusela ubaba usele nomntwana onama conditions. So let's talk, you know, and then sikhulumela now these parents abana labantwana njengoba wena uya ngifuna nje uba dedicated because badila ngezimo badila ngento eziningi. Basithi siyababonga sibabonga kanjani umama wakho nje mawumcabanga nje uthini mawukhuluma angekho yena.
Yeah, I tell ngoma lethi I love you daddy. You're my hero.
Yeah.
I'm dedicating it to my mom. Yes. Yes.
Yeah, to all the men, the women abaphila nabantu abadinga usizo ngendlela ezahlukahlukene. I think you are nothing but good, you know, to us. Unana she speaks profoundly ngomama makhe. I can't imagine a life without that piece of a puzzle because you understand the Maui situation good day. Kahle I'm on my own la. Kunama situations where mawuhleli now ngathi ufuna ukubuza uNkulunkulu umbizele meeting and say but uNkulunkulu of all the things mara ongazenza nani okay right why ungasadjustanga ke wamane wathatha okunye ngineshono umuntu mhlawumbe ongabona emehlweni uthi Nkosi yami lo ngakhuluma ungcono ngiyezwa ukuthi bayakhuluma mara ngiboni nix yayithola into efana le. So do you ever maybe sometimes wish izinto differently in your life?
Yes, I do like when I have to go somewhere mele ngivuke ekuseni take a taxi. So ngihlezi ngimbuta uNkulunkulu ukuthi okay uNkulunkulu anginiwangende ngama different why ngangibusisi ke ngemali. Not for me but for the people I'm helping. Ukuthi licebo lakhe liqhubeke ukuthi maybe sometimes ngiyafona ngayithola iUber sometimes ngabi nayo le mali yokubhadala iUber so ngiyambhalisela futhi a day before khola bogogo ngize ngikhale like angitikhaleli mina ngikhalela ukuthi bese bajwayele ukuthi utambona noxolo nelitiya so ngiyambhalisela uNkulunkulu etimeni letifana naleto ukuthi I'm not doing this for myself but for the next person. Sale wendela yena mina kodwa ngibona emuva. Yes, ngiyambalisela.
No. Hey, my heart is warm, you know. Sometimes we share tears of joy. Hayi ngoba siyakhala impela but you are saying hey uNkulunkulu kanti unjani maye ngoba naku sila uyakhonza.
Yes.
You mentioned God a lot la ukhona khona. Ungumzalwane.
Yes.
Sekuyisikhathi singanani usenkonzweni?
I must say I'm a church girl.
Yeah. Oh, you grew up in church.
Yes, but now ngine-challenge ukuthi nangihlala isikhathi lesithi angisakhoni. So sometimes ngiyaya, sometimes ngingayi. Ye-transport ngokuthi kumele ngiye esontweni yabo into efana naleto. Yes.
Mawungahlala kakhulu.
Yes, mangihlala isikhathi lesithi uyatibona titulo tasemasontweni. Atifani nasekhaya ukuthi maybe couch or it is a bed.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. Hey, yabona le dingo lezi ne? Yabona uze ngenye into for me with joy in my heart uze ne challenge akusi problem.
Yes.
And then where's nama solutions? So our solutions is these 3 lenses. Hey, zenze magical weight. So kukhona ukhulumile kune transport kune Wendy House then kunabogogo bese kuba khona labantwana nekushu lo sengiaddressile lokho. Bakhona abangani bami engibathembayo, they are going to do good, bazwenza into right. So any other thing ekhona kukude enhlajatshe la usuka khona kule ngiyacabanga emalelane embabane bawe bajabulile abantu ekhaya ukuthi hey ana umnake hey ukhulumile wasitsinza nathi le khathi. So any other thing esele ngakuwe just before you leave the building, and thank you for coming through all the way. Hey sibakhulu kangakanani, I don't take this light. This is really big, and may the heaven open for you, and you know the doors of opportunities, may the destiny helpers locate you.
Thank you.
Mina mangikhulumile ngakhuleka kanje ichayili umthandazo wami ngize ngiguqe ngamadolo ngiyakhuleka nje njoba nje just to send out the word, anything from enhlizweni yakho nje ufuna nje ukuthi uyikhulume nabantu ekhaya.
Ngithi ngiyabonga kakhulu umphakathi wasenhlazatshe, like I have my 4 pillars abangisupportako, including my family. Yes, if ngakhona nje kuma-mention about my-dad.
Yeah.
Kuthi noma ngikhala ngokuthi hey ngifuna kuya ku-interview eJozi babe khona. Yes, ngithi ngiyabonga kakhulu umphakathi wasenhlazatshe, like uyangibeketelela. Njengaloku ngimentionile ukuthi it was my first bad experience with the taxi driver. Ukushokana ukuthi I'm an angel. Angase ngafika bangiqasukela obangiyeke ukuthi hey naye nangilona. So ngithi ngiyabonga South Africa, ngiyabonga Mpumalanga, ngiyabonga Nhlazatshe. Ngoba lapho ngake ngaya khona ngithi ngiyabonga. Inkosi ngibusisele nini. Ningagcini ngami sibaningi. Laba sidinga lokhu lengikutholako mina. Yes.
She's a golden child. You are very special.
Bonga.
In a very special way.
Yeah.
Yeah, not the other way, what meets the eye, but you are very special. God's favorite. Unkulunkulu angcinele wena. Ube right until we meet again, because zohlangana ngasikudala. This episode, Brabongs, please prioritize it. I need it up so that mina ngithi mangiyakhuluma ngiyadeliver. I so wish by the time the episode comes up sibe sesideliverile, and then we attach all the proof and evidence ukuthi we don't just talk, but we act. Keep well and stay blessed until the next episode. Thank you, Nana.
Thank you.
Hey. Wabone akakofaranga amanzi.